All right, I got it installed. Here's my pipe. Comes down, gets rid of the that bread box, that resonator, whatever the hell that was. Moment of truth time. Let's see how she sounds. Next is to take it out and see how it sounds while I ride it. Hopefully it ain't gonna be annoying. It's really loud, but I'm in a garage, so it's kind of echoes and makes it a lot louder and makes my ears ring a little bit more. But there she is, all her glory. I love it.